Chili dog, it is cold here in Utah today, and we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Lots to do. The Ferrari 458 Liberty Walk wide body, Viola Parcife, she's done. Now, we don't have wheels. I know. We do not have wheels. I apologize, but we were supposed to have wheels. Somebody told me we were gonna have wheels, and we don't have wheels. So, yeah, we're swapping out the Murcielago for a Papa Mac. Lots to do. It is a gorgeous day. We're back, baby. I realize my cute adorable marshmallow puppy named Oscar hasn't been on the channel in a while. He's a little bit tired. Oscar, say hi to the viewers. Say hi to Grandma. Say hi to Grandma. We're gonna see her in a couple of days. Grandma misses you, yeah. It is a cold morning for a Lamborghini Murcielago. Immobilizer, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Yes. I bought my Lamborghini Murcielago off in June, and we have failed emissions 5 different times. And the craziest thing about it, it doesn't have a modified exhaust. Like, this car is completely stock. We finally figured out the issue. It needs a software update. So we're dropping off the car at Lamborghini Salt Lake, and we're swapping it for a car with a 4-liter twin turbocharged V8. That's right, baby. It's no V12, but she's fast. I'm pretty sure it's safe to say this is the only 40th anniversary being driven in the snow right now. But welcome here to Lamborghini of Salt Lake City, Utah. We're getting exclusive, unparalleled, unprecedented access in the inner vault. That's a 620R. So somehow we just swapped out the Murcielago for a 765 LT. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The newest acquisition here at Lamborghini of Salt Lake City. 765 metric horsepower. The 720S has always scared Luke Terry a little bit when I drive it. This is a 765, bro.
Why do they trust you with this car?
Hey, stop talking, bro. We're still here, okay? Say that off camera. This is so sick. It's also quite terrifying because it is 36 degrees here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Cold tires, 765 horsepower. Not the best idea, but at the same time, a fun idea. The more and more I see a McLaren, the more and more I think maybe, just maybe, we need to add one to the channel also. Don't even look, Luke. Don't look. Stop staring. You're drooling, bro. You're drooling. This is sick. I just realized we have the best snow tires in the entire world. We have Trofeo R's. Obviously, I'm being incredibly sarcastic. We're gonna warm up the tires. Don't worry. We're not gonna do anything crazy. How is this even happening right now? What is going on? We just talked about the Murcielago for a 765 LT. Like I said, Luke Terry gets a little bit squirmy in these cars, so we're gonna baby it. We're gonna granny it just for this guy.
I'm scared of this car. I really
He can't even talk. He's scared.
If I'm driving, I'm fine. But you driving in this car? Sketchy.
I'm a great driver. Naturally, step 1, track, active, variable drift control not available. Why is that not available?
And turn the car off. No, we're not doing that.
Wait, did you actually turn it off? Bro, we got things to be, places to be. Never mind, take 2. I've been very fortunate to drive a lot of 720Ss, but this is the first 765 LT I've ever driven. It has exactly 1,000 miles. Also, yellow Performante, looking so smug. All right, so we're gonna go pick up the Ferrari. I want to punch it so bad, but I'm trying to be responsible. That's like 4% throttle right there. Tire temperatures are at 59 degrees, so maybe at 65. I'm just kidding, like 105, then we'll go. I feel like I'm Lewis Hamilton in the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix trying to warm up these tires, when honestly it doesn't even matter whatsoever. We're done for. Like, there's nothing we can do. It's 37 degrees outside. Sometimes in life, you gotta go full send. Go. Oh, yeah. Well, that's it. That's all you get today in today's video, because if I have to call my insurance agent and tell them I wrecked a $600,000 McLaren, they're not gonna be happy. One more. It's so fast, and that was like 30% throttle. We're not gonna do anything crazy because we got cops everywhere, okay? They're everywhere. There was 2. Go. This car is so much fun. All right, we gotta turn here. I see it for the first time. She looks so sick. And finally, it is a sunny day. As we're back. The Purple Army, the reincarnation of the Purple Army. We're back, baby. Well, I am proud to say that we made it here in one piece. We did not crash the 765 LT. We're looking at the 458. Luke is smug because it has yellow calipers. You guys voted. You wanted yellow. You didn't want purple. It was close. It was 51% to 49. The yellow does look sick, but Rip City, baby. Not Lakers, we don't like the Lakers, but Rip City. This is actually the first time I've seen this paint in the sun. So it's Lamborghini Ad Persona Viola Parcife, but we added a little bit of a twist. We added a bunch of glass, just like the Aventador Roadster. We have dubbed it Viola Stratife. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The Purple Army is back. This color is so incredibly sick. I wish you guys could see it in person. Just like, look at all that glass. I love the pink hue to it as well. I cannot wait for this to be next to the Aventador Roadster. And yes, I know it looks absolutely absolutely ridiculous with the factory wheels, but the wheels were supposed to arrive this week. They just didn't. I don't know what else to really say, but this color is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. What? There's just so many stunning angles on this car. I love the duckbill right there. Of course, it's a Spider. We got to take the top off as well. Now we have white wheels. The wheels are going to be white. They're going to look incredible. The yellow calipers, honestly, I think they turned out pretty good. I think they're pretty sick. I think Luke was right for once in his life. I'm just kidding.
What?
Luke is always right. This guy's always right. He's the smartest guy in the room. Now, there's still a lot to be done to the 458. For example, we have a full carbon hood that's going to be here very, very soon. But once again, just like most things in life, it's heavily delayed. The wheels are going to be here as well. Now, Luke, do you want to drive the 458 or the 765?
I choose life, so I'm going to take the 458.
You see, I like that choice, but at the same time, I'm nervous because without your guidance, without your parental guidance, I am going to be dangerous in that 765.
Yes, absolutely. You're going to die. You're going to die.
What?
But don't
absolutely?
Die. Please don't die. Then I'm out of a job, and then I got to go find a new job, and then it starts.
And then no GT3. If you guys did not see my last video, Luke drove the Veyron for the very first time. He was acting all nervous, and then he drove it full send at like 150 miles an hour. He says he's nervous driving the 458, but we know that he's not. Yeah, I'm sure we're fine. Now, the coolest thing about the 458 is that, yes, indeed, it is a Spider. I also love how it's purple under there as well. The details, paint is so cool. I cannot get over this color. Just like seeing it on camera, it looks amazing. Come on, full send, let's see it. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Such an incredible sounding car. One of the last great sounding Ferraris, and now it looks the part. The 458 looks so crazy in motion. I'm so excited about it. Also, we got the Panda wide body R32 right there. So I gotta somehow keep up in the 765, which should not be a big deal. The problem with Luke drives my Ferrari, he destroys the front end. He's on the ground. Like, that splitter is actually on the ground. Unfortunately, this car does not have a front end lift, but man, does she look good. Yeah, full send to the moon. I don't know what else to do.
I'm deleting this clip.
No, you're not.
This is a lie.
We have to have this. Yeah, you're good, no biggie. That car looks so crazy. Oh my gosh. I love the Liberty Walk 458, one of my all-time favorites. Hey, wait up for me. Now, thankfully, the 765 has a very nice front end lift that raises it about 2 inches, so we're good to go. I'm so hyped about this color. It looks so crazy. Send it. Oh, that looks incredible. It's like the perfect day to show off this color. Wow. Also, I just realized we have no license plate on that car. That's interesting. Hey, bro, where's your license plate?
I don't know.
Exactly. Best of luck.
No idea.
Best of luck. Let's see it. Go. Well, unfortunately, we do have to actually return the 765 LT, but what a car. Massive shout out to the boys here at Lamborghini Bentley of Salt Lake City, Utah. What a car. We're good to go. And from the 765 LT to the Lamborghini Murcielago, also 458 is looking so crazy. Okay, so we got a meeting. We are going to a very important meeting. We're gonna dump the 458 here at Lambo Salt Lake. We're gonna come pick it up in an hour.
And then pick up the GT3s, the two of them?
Yeah.
Matching?
Yeah, exactly. And the 2RS inside.
Oh, okay, now you're messing with me. Now you're messing with me.
So Lamborghini of Salt Lake just installed a software update on the Murcielago. We should be able to pass emissions now. We got to put maybe like 50, 60 miles on the car for the get readies to set. So we got a meeting in downtown Salt Lake that's about 30 miles away, and then we're gonna go back to Lamborghini Salt Lake and hopefully pass emissions. Now the meeting, the most important meeting of my life, I gotta pick out a front door for my house. I don't know anything about doors, but Luke in a past life, he's a door guy. He's a big door guy. This is one of the scariest places I could ever go in my entire life. I'm so glad we got Lukey, baby. That's right, that's what my mom used to call me. My middle name is Lucas. She used to call me Lukey, baby. And then, okay, this is getting cut out. This is definitely getting cut out. Yeah, we gotta pick out lights and doors and cabinets. I can just tell by the way it smells, we don't belong here, Luke. We have no idea what we're doing. This is the most stressful situation of my entire life, but this guy knows lights, he knows doors, and also James, he knows lights, he knows doors, so we're in good company. Well, that was the absolute worst experience of my entire life.
You gave up after like 5 minutes.
I still have a migraine. Lights. Like, talk about the worst thing ever. And this is only the beginning. I have so many things I gotta pick out for this dumb house. Luckily, somehow this guy, he knows everything about interior design. Who are you?
I guessed. I said everything black. I basically took over in that meeting for you, and I hope you like what you did.
I kind of sort of embarrassed myself in the meeting. We live, we survived, and we have lights, I think. Luke, we've already seen the GT3s, okay?
1, 2, 3. Count them up, baby. 3's what's a lucky number? That's my lucky number.
They have a lockdown on Miami Blue GT3s and a GT2 RS. Why are you going GT3 when you could go GT2?
This is why, James. This is why.
This is already why. You still can't afford it. Luke has worked for me for what, 2.5 months?
Yeah.
And he's already ready to break the bank. You get one of those finance deals. They got financing for 180 months.
Yes, I could use that.
That's like 15 years.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah.
Katie Hudson. Hudson, you're not going to college anymore because your dad is buying a GT3. Oh, she's back, baby, please. This is not 5 years in the making. This is 9 months in the making, but this could be the 5th time we fail or the 1st time we pass.
Yes.
I'm inspired. Oh, come on. I'm trying to read your body language. No, it didn't pass.
Oh, I know.
No, that's a smirk. It passed. Did it actually?
Oh,
yes. This is what, 10 months in the making.
Oh, yeah.
We actually have a car that passed Utah missions.
We are ready to go.
I've never been so excited.
But know what's awesome about this? You now get to go pay sales tax, which is going to be really expensive.
Luke, why do you have to ruin my moment? You know what that sound is? That's emissions compliant, baby. We are emissions compliant. I think we just need to have a heart-to-heart, Luke. You're working hard. You're working around the clock. Like, we just get home and immediately you're going straight to the editing. Also, how's the couch?
Dude, the couch?
Productivity level through the roof.
That is my favorite.
Don't get too comfortable, though, because you got work to do. But I just don't think a GT3 is the car.
What do you think's the car?
Lamborghini. Bro, you did not get permission to sit in this car. Have you ever sat in a GT3? Those two Perfect Montes look so good. So imagine this scenario. Luke gets that one, I get that one, and we have 2 twin turbos.
Wow. Who's paying for this? Because I can't afford that.
True, yeah. Who is paying for this?